Welcome to Trains Around Scotland for September 2022. Wasting no time, let's get right into the action. So kicking things off, this is Carluke on the 13 for first 6S36, delayed 1201 Dalston to Grangemouth tanks with 7811. Then very soon after came 1Q26, 1235 Derby RTC to Edinburgh Waverley via Glasgow Central NMT with 43s 290 and 299. Then soon followed again by OZ25, early 1327 Carlisle Kingmure Depot to Motherwell TMD Light Loco with 88,001 and 37,419. To Motherwell itself now on the 16th of September for definitely the weirdest move of the month, being OZ57 1557 Joppa Straight to Hamilton Steely with 37,685. Ending the night at Holytown now, with first being 5D91 1643 Craigentinny to Hamilton with 66,743 in the Royal Scotsman. Soon followed by a diverted 6S48 1650 Workington to Aberdeen Slurries with 78,815. Then 4M80 1721 Coatbridge to Crewe Basford Hall with 90s 048 and 003. Finishing off the night with 5Z57, the 1818 Hamilton Steely to Carnforth Steamtown with one Mark III coach off the Royal Scotsman and return of 37,685. The month would continue to produce unusual workings, as seen at Paisley on Monday the 19th, for a rescheduled 6N47 1059 Prestwick to Grangemouth with 78,811 dragging 56,078 had failed the Friday before. Soon followed by 5Q06, the 1144 Kilmarnock Boddington Depot to Yoker CS with 37884 dragging 318263 back from refurb. Possibly the Rail Tour of the Year for Scotland was presented on the 21st, being Intercity's Ayrliner Rail Tour, working 1Z64 1904 Girvan to Crewe with 20s 096 and 107 top and tail with 47828. Then to Perth on the 23rd for the beginning of the Highland Railhead treatment train season, with 66091 working 6S99, delayed 0858 Carlisle to Inverness freight sidings. Heading north of the station now at Stanley, where first to pass will be 1H09, 1002 Edinburgh to Inverness with 43s 143 leading 028. Soon followed by 6S99 again, heading north to Inverness. Ending out the month on the 29th at Johnson, where it would be time for the monthly PLPR test trains. Cole was keeping the current theme of 43s on the Scottish PLPR with Powercars 43272 and Ex EMR 43274 on 1Q75, 1824 Moss End to Moss End circuit.